Hi. We are on lesson number 12. More and more things to do. So we have drive. These are S hands, the palms turned in. Drive. Ride. X hand on the side of your support hand. Ride. Hike, like this, curl them. Hike, step, just 1 foot, step, climb, and train. H hands, train, try, and wait. Practice, patient, patience, buy, money, same, different, and much, many, much. Okay, here is your silent sign sentence. Whoa, where is it? Right here. We are going to do this one. What did I say? You can still tell me in comments. Okay, have a great day and see you in lesson number 13. More and more places to go. Bye.